link Roblox to Discord mobile, or how to show playing Roblox on Discord mobile. So I'm going to enter the application right here. Now, one thing you need to know is that you can't directly show that you're playing Roblox on your Discord mobile, but there is a workaround. So basically I am in my Discord application right here, and I'm going to click on my icon in the bottom right corner, and as you can see, we have the option to set a status. So basically I'm going to click on this one, set status, and as you can see, we have online, idle, do not disturb, and invisible. If you want to make it show that you are playing Roblox, as you can see right here, we have a set a custom status. We're going to select that option, and where it says support has arrived, we can type playing Roblox. So that is how you do it. You can clear it in 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, or not at all. And after you have done this, you have to click on save, and now it should show as playing Roblox. So that's how you link or connect your Roblox game, quote unquote, to Discord mobile. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.